Ennas Gifts is located in Quanzhou, where it's famous for resin crafts. Since 2006, Ennas Gifts has been developing, manufacturing, and exporting resin giftware all over the world. We have established a strong business relationship with our customers who are primarily located in North America, Europe, Asia, and Oceania. Ennas Gifts offers a wide range of exclusive products, including Christmas ornaments, angel figurines, snowmen, Santa Claus, snow globes, Christmas houses, nativity sets, pumpkins, photo frames, religious gifts, inspirational themed gifts, birthday giftware, and bobbleheads. Our minimums are very reasonable, with just 200 to 300 pieces per design. We can also work with you to manufacture custom products using your designs. More than 15 years of experience in the development of branded gifts allows us to propose you the most original tailor-made items. Our goal is not only providing resin crafts products, but also providing a complete solution, including the resin crafts product design, tooling, sampling, production, and service for our clients to achieve their utmost satisfaction. We intensively focus on production quality, from the very beginning of raw material selection to the end of shipment arrangement. Ennas Gifts is a reliable business partner, and we have strict quality control measures in place to ensure our products meet or exceed your expectations. We hope you enjoy our website filled with wonderful resin crafts that warm your hearts. We look forward to working with you.